Hello and welcome to sudoCODE. If you guys are new to the channel and you don't know me, my name is Yogita Sharma and I'm a software engineer at Kareem and I'm based out of Dubai. This is one of the videos for the REST API mini series or mini playlist, and today we are going to discuss how to use delete methods or delete APIs. So let's get started. As you can see, in case of delete, we just want to delete a resource from the backend, right? Now, how do you do that? Very similar to other methods, just like put, post, etc. We are going to mention the ID of the resource that we want to delete in the URI, as you can see here, and the method is going to be delete. Please note, you don't have to send anything in the request body because clearly you don't have any data to be sent to the server. You only have to tell server that I want this resource to be deleted. And the response of all the delete APIs should be 200, just telling you that your operation has been successful. Now, what this API is going to do on the server side? There are two things that can happen. One, you can completely wipe off the customer resource. That means you just delete everything from your database and there is no entry for this resource. Or you can actually soft delete the resource. That means you will keep a field in database for this resource, which can be known as deleted at or deleted. It can be a boolean true or false, and you just mark that field as true, that this has been deleted. This is called soft deleting. Usually in most cases where whenever the resources are deleted, this strategy is followed, unless for some kind of data which is not useful, the resources are completely deleted and like hard delete happens or removed completely from the server storage. Now, how do you check your delete has been successful? Soon after the delete, you can send a get request and check that request should return 404 because the resource is not found since you have deleted that resource. Actually, you can do a fun exercise. You create a resource. Let's say it returns you the ID 1. Try to create that resource again. It will give you a conflict as 409. Now, delete that resource, and once you get 200, try to create that resource again. You will be able to create it again because you just deleted it and now there will be no conflict. This is just a fun exercise to understand the behaviors of get, delete, post, etc. But this is how the implementation works out. Now, what if you want to delete multiple resources at a time? Let's say you want to delete all the orders for one customer. Similar to other operations and other URIs, here is how the URI is going to look like. Customers/1/orders, and you just say delete. This is going to delete all the orders for that particular customer. Next time when you try to fetch these orders, what is the response that you're going to get? Of course, 404, because there are no orders remaining in the system with respect to this customer. Now, coming to, can delete result in an errored response like 400 or 409? Maybe not. Delete can result in a 500, or for that matter, any other API can result in 500 because something can go wrong on the server end, and we have not discussed the 5xs codes till now. I have kept it for some other day. But usually there are no specific error codes related to delete operation. Usually delete operation returns 200 as a success response. I mean, I have not seen many 4xs response in delete until you send something wrong in the path itself. Then that's a different case, and it also depends on the implementation. But usually the response is 200. Now, coming to idempotency. Do you think delete is idempotent, or do you think delete should be idempotent? I'm going to leave this as an exercise for you guys because it is a good thought exercise, and also you can actually try the code snippets that I have shared and you can try it out on your own. What happens if you try to delete the same resource twice? I know this was a very short video because I didn't have much to cover in delete. If you didn't understand any point or if something is confusing, please let me know in comments and I will try my best to clarify it. In the next videos, we are going to discuss different things like headers, rate limiting, asynchronous APIs, pagination, filtering, and so on. So I would recommend you guys to complete all the videos before delete and including this one so that you can be prepared for the upcoming video. Till then, take care. See you in the next video.